So really quick, don't even click off this video. First thing you want to do, like. Before we go into these, what do you think? Comment down below, let me know right now. Out of 10, what do you rate these? We haven't even looked at them yet, but what are you gonna rate these based off of the title and based off of the thumbnail? What are you rating these? Let's check it out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review, and as you can tell from the shirt, we're looking at another pair of Nikes, and today we're going to be checking out the Nike Dunk High in the Game Royal, aka Kentucky colorway. Now, this was a sneaker that when I first saw official images, I said, oh yeah, I'm definitely going to need these, and I'm really happy to be able to get these early for you guys so I can bring you guys a whole video. That way, when it comes to you, when these do release, which is going to be June 23rd for a retail price of $110, you can make your decision to see if you want to go ahead and buy them or not. So with all that said and done, without further ado, let's dive into these beautiful sneakers. Really quick though, before we dive into it though, really want to tell you guys, I really do appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been showing on the channel. I can't believe we're almost at 600 subscribers. The goal is 1,000 at the end of this year. I really do believe that we will get it. I really just want to let you guys know I really do appreciate you just so much. Like, I mean, when you guys comment down below, I always try to have thoughtful feedback and comments to you guys because it really means a lot. You know, I really try to like touch base with people as much as I can because I don't take this stuff for granted. So your love and support really means a lot. So thank you so much. Also, if this is your first time checking out the channel, make sure you definitely like the video, subscribe. That way, anytime I drop a video, you know exactly when the video is coming out. Also, if you're new to the channel, I always like to be color coordinated with the product. As you saw in the beginning, the product is blue and white, and I always try to match it with headbands. So let me get my headband on really quick, and we can go straight into these reviews. Let's go. Okay, we are back. Hold on, gotta get it nice and straight. We're back. We got our headband on, and I'm really excited too because this headband matches these exactly on point, and I'm really happy. So no more rambling, let's go dive into them. We're gonna go ahead and pull our orange knife out, and I like the orange too because you're gonna see why I say that. We're gonna go ahead and open these babies up. Hold on. Like I said, the release date is going to be June 29th, which is this Tuesday. Now, these are already released outside of the US. The release date for those was June 11th. Retail price is going to be $110. As you can see, they already loaded up on Nike sneakers. I know other retailers are going to be getting them as well. Foot Locker, Finish Line, Champ. So definitely, if you're wanting these, check those apps to make sure you can go ahead and try your best to get them if you're wanting them. So let's go ahead and peel this back. Take the tissue paper back. I did go ahead and purchase these from GOAT because I told myself, ain't no way I'm taking an L on these babies. Ain't no way. So let's go ahead and get this box out of here. I'm struggling, hold on. And boom, here we go. We have our Nike box. So these do come in, as you can see, in the all red Nike box with the Nike logo smack in the middle right there. Let me go ahead and read you guys the size tag. Size tag does read Nike Dunk High Retro White Game Royal Total Orange. I did get a size 11, and in women's this is a 12 and a half. And on the box it does not say, but like I said, retail price is going to be $110. And always too, make sure you check the style code. The style code is DD1399102. The reason I say check the style code is because every time, you know, if you're gonna go ahead and be buying some sneakers, it's always important to know it. That way when you put it in, you know exactly what you're gonna be getting. So now we're gonna go dive into these babies. Let me go ahead and give you guys a better perspective. Let's go ahead and look them together. Like I said, I did go ahead and get these from GOAT, so we will be looking at them right now. 3, 2, 1. Dive. Okay. Open the box. Nothing fancy. You are greeted with your white regular tissue paper. So let's go ahead and peel these back right now. 3, 2, 1, and yes, sir. Sorry, I don't know why I was singing that hard. There they go right here. These are the Nike Dunk High Game Royal, aka Kentucky. Let me go ahead and peel this back so I can get the other one. Where's our verification sticker? Oh, here it is, okay. So this is the GOAT verification sticker right there. And then we do have your sticker as well. So let me go ahead and actually put everything up and then we'll go straight into the review. Hold on. Okay, boom. So here they go right here. These are the Nike Dunk High Retro Game Royal, AKA Kentucky. And I gotta say, these are flame. Straight flame. I like them a lot, man. This year, I'm telling you, I'm not stopping this year. We've been going crazy on dunks. Last year, I didn't get a single dunk. And I told myself, okay, for 2021, we're gonna obtain to get a lot of dunks. And that's what we're getting. Honestly, for the highs, I actually like these a lot. I think to be real, so far, these are probably my favorite highs. Okay, enough talking. Let's get straight into the actual review. Let's go and look at the left first. So, starting from the left, you are greeted with your blue outsole, your Kentucky outsole. You do have a Nike logo right there. Looking at the midsole, you have a marshmallowy white midsole that does go all the way around the sneaker. Very, very beautiful. As you go up, you are hit with the Kentucky blue swoosh, which goes all the way around the back. You do have a blue pull tab, which is obviously very, very nice and soft to the touch. Looking even around the shoe, when you look at the front, you have a nice white plush toe box. Going up, you do get your laces. As you go up even more, let me go ahead and move this lace. You go to your tongue, you do have the Nike stitched logo right there. I mean, sorry, your Nike tag, I apologize, which is right there in that Kentucky blue. I want you guys to get a really close view. As we go ahead and we pull out the shoe tree, we are greeted with a, hold on, I can't see it. I can't. Hold on. All right, got it. So as you look inside the insole, as you can see right there, it's a blue insole, but I know it's hard to the camera's probably not picking it up the best, but you do see the Nike logo in orange right there. I'm not gonna lie, that's probably, as much as I'm probably gonna, a lot of people are gonna be like, really, out of all the things, I think the orange Nike logo is probably my favorite detail on the sneaker, to be honest. But that's basically the Nike Dunk High right there. This is very, very clean, very beautiful. Retail price is going to be $110. Release date is going to be June 29th. Let me know if you're going to be going for these. These did also take after, if I'm not mistaken, these color blocking takes after the Kentucky Wildcats, and I just really find that really, really cool. You know, really quick too, shout out to my boy Christian. He's an upcoming sneaker YouTuber, and I just want to say he is actually from Kentucky, so this colorway is actually, you know, homage to his state. So really, really cool. I just want to go ahead and give him a really quick shout out, bro. If you're watching this, man, hey, keep your grind up, my guy. And I already showed you pictures of these, so I do know you like them. But there they go right here. Let me go ahead and get the left pair. Comment down below and let me know, will you be going after these? I know, like I said, retail price is $110. June 29th, Tuesday. If you have any questions, as if, you know, any more information, if you want to ask from me, please guys, let me know, please. I really like these as well, is because if you don't remember, last year Nike went ahead and rolled out the Nike Dunk Low Kentucky, the lows. I'm gonna post a picture right here so you can see, and it's just really cool to see now they're coming out with a high version. So you already know how to pick them up. I definitely picked them up. This is gonna be one for the collection. I will be keeping these for a very, very long time. Okay guys, so this is basically going to conclude today's video over the Nike Dunk High Kentucky, aka Game Royal. I'm going to go ahead and break away to a quick little overview so you guys can see and look at them right there. What do you think about them? Man, I'm happy though. I'm really happy that, I know a lot of people may not be happy at the fact that Nike's been rolling out a lot of dunks lately, but I love it. I just can't get enough of them. I think dunks are literally starting to become one of my favorite silhouettes for the year. And Nike, just keep doing what you're doing, you know? Keep doing what you're doing. And I really hope, you know, you bring out some more amazing colorways. So one last thing I also wanted to talk about these was in terms of quality. Now I know that's probably the #1 question I always get in the comments, as how is the quality on the dunks? The Dunk Low, the Dunks High. I'm gonna be real. To me, they are okay. They're not their best, but I mean, they're $110. I mean, what do you expect? I mean, you know, it's not like they're $500. Well, when you pay resale, it is, but like, it's not like they're $500. So the quality isn't gonna be like that. It's decent, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. It still looks good. It still looks good. All right, guys, so this is gonna conclude today's video. Hope you did like this video. Like I said, comment down below, let me know what you think about these. Release date June 29th, Tuesday, retail price $110. I am gonna go ahead and break away to an on feet review. I wanna say thank you guys so much for pulling up. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. It really means a lot. We're currently on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We are at 595, so definitely go ahead and like and subscribe because it really means a lot. Always, guys, this has been your kid Nephrite. I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you in this life, so you gotta be the best you. Please, you gotta do it. All right, guys, until the next video, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.